In the year 624 CE, on the 17th of Ramadan, a small band of believers gathered in the desert sands of Badr. Outnumbered and outarmed, they faced their greatest test yet. This is the story of the Battle of Badr, a tale of faith, courage, and divine intervention. It began with a caravan. The Muslims in Medina, struggling to survive after their exile from Mecca, aimed to intercept a Quraysh caravan returning from Syria. The caravan carried wealth that fueled the oppression of Muslims. Little did they know, the Quraysh of Mecca had learned of their plans and were assembling an army to protect their caravan and crush the Muslim community once and for all. The Muslim army was just 313 strong, poorly equipped with few weapons and mounts. Meanwhile, the Quraysh army numbered 1,000, well-armed and confident of victory. Despite the overwhelming odds, the Muslims placed their trust in Allah and prepared to fight. On the eve of the battle, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spent the night in prayer, seeking Allah's guidance and support. His strategy was clear: control the water sources of Badr to weaken the enemy. They positioned themselves strategically, ready to face an army 3 times their size. At dawn, the two armies faced each other. The battle began with duels. Hamza, Ali, and Ubaidah, the Muslim champions, defeated the Quraysh leaders, igniting the spirits of the Muslim army. Then came the turning point. According to Islamic tradition, Allah sent angels to aid the Muslims. Their presence turned the tide, striking fear into the hearts of the Quraysh and boosting the morale of the believers. The Muslims emerged victorious. 70 Quraysh warriors were killed, and another 70 were captured. Only 14 Muslims were martyred. This victory solidified the Muslim community's faith and sent a powerful message across Arabia. The Battle of Badr was not just a military triumph, it was a triumph of faith over fear, of unity over division. It showed the world that belief, courage, and trust in Allah can overcome the greatest odds. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights. See you next time.